Hi friends, welcome to srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: vector class with enumeration cursor. So enumeration is one of the cursors in Java collections framework. So first of all, we'll understand what is collections framework in Java. So collections means collection of objects or group of objects as a single unit or single object in Java program. Then what is framework? So framework means library. It is a library to work with Java collections, and this framework is provided or library is provided for us in the form of java.util package. Now in this java.util package, we have different classes and interfaces using which we can work with Java collections as collection of objects. So in Java collections framework, collection interface is the top level interface under which we have different collections. So we have four popular collections under collection interface. First one, list collection interface. Second one, set collection interface. Third one, queue collection interface. And fourth one, map collection interface. So here, some important points to remember related to Java collections framework. So collections is only for objects but not for primitive data types. So if we store any primitive data type value also, internally it will be stored as object only. And every data or everything will be stored as object itself in collection, which is object class, object type, right? So now coming to the concept of vector class with enumeration cursor. So first of all, vector class is available in java.util package. So vector class is inherited from list interface. List interface is inherited from collection interface, and collection interface is inherited from iterable interface. So iterable interface is available in java.lang package. So all the methods of iterable are inherited to collection of util package, and these methods are inherited to list of util package, and then they are inherited to vector class. So in vector class we can use all the different methods of list, collection and iterable. So now what is vector? So vector is a collection of objects as one-dimensional array. So one-dimensional array means vector provides indexes to collection of objects, and these indexes range from 0 to size -1. And the initial default capacity of a vector is 10. Vector accepts duplicate objects. It means we can store duplicate objects in a vector, and then order of objects in vector is preserved. It means it will store the objects in the same order how we are adding the elements or objects to the vector collection. And vector is a legacy class. So what is legacy class? A class which is clonable, a class which is serializable, and also methods are synchronized is known as legacy class. Means it should be inherited from clonable interface, it should be inherited from serializable interface, and its method should be synchronized, which can be used in multi-threaded application. And serializable means vector class object can participate in serialization and deserialization process, and clonable means vector object can be cloned using clone method, right? So now coming to the methods, java p -p java.util.vector. So open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue the command, right? So vector. So in this vector class we are going to use, so first of all it is clonable, serializable, and its methods are synchronized. And vector class is inherited from list, list is inherited from collection, and collection is inherited from iterable. So coming to the enumeration method, so this is the method which helps us to work with enumeration cursor elements. Its return type is enumeration interface, which belongs to java.util package, and it is a cursor. So using this cursor, we can access the elements of a vector collection linearly from first to last. Right. So let us try to use this elements method, whose return type is enumeration cursor. So coming to the enumeration cursor, so first of all, it is an interface, and technically it is known as a cursor. It belongs to java.util package. It is a uni-directional cursor, which means that we can access the elements of a vector collection linearly from first to last. Right. So the definition goes like this. It is a cursor or pointer or reference to collection of objects and access the objects of vector collection linearly from first to last. So same like iterator cursor and list iterator cursor, enumeration is another type of cursor. Right. So in this cursor we have two methods. If you see the description, java p -p java.util.enumeration. Right. So the methods goes like this in enumeration cursor. Has more elements, it will check whether we have next element or more elements in the particular vector collection and returns true or false. If the element is or object is available, using next element method, we can access that method, whose return type is E. E means object, which is a generic object. So has more elements, checking for existence of the next element and getting the next element using the next element method. So let us try to implement this. Has more elements, next element of enumeration cursor on vector collection of objects, and we will access them linearly from first to last. So let us take a program, vector class example7.java. So let us take a new page. So first we'll write the comment, program to access collection of objects of a vector class using enumeration cursor. So import java.util package. So take the main class, vector class example7 with main method. So save the program with .java as extension. So first of all, we'll create an object of vector class VC whose initial capacity is 10. And then we are adding 5 elements, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. And then print VC, vector collection. So we'll execute till here. Right. Save this. Open the command prompt. So compile the program. So vector class example 7.java. Right. No error. Then run it. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Now we will access this using enumeration cursor, similar to iterator cursor and list iterator cursor. Right. So now let us try to apply elements method on vector collection. So VC. So VC is nothing but vector collection dot elements method. Its return type is enumeration cursor. So we'll take a enumeration reference variable en. So initially en will be pointing before the first element, which is 11. So after that we'll apply the step 2 enumeration methods. Enumeration object dot has more elements. Okay, so has more elements, so we have true, 11 element is there. Okay, so it will come inside and then en dot next element, it will access 11, convert that into int and store that in int x and print x. Right, so let us try to do this step by step. Save the program. So initially the cursor will be before 11, has more elements, true, next element. Has more elements, true, next element. Has more elements, true, next element. Has more elements, yes, 44 is there, next element. Has more elements, true, next element. Has more elements, true, no, we don't have any element after 55. So since we don't have any element after 55, okay, so it is going to return false and come out of the while loop. And after coming out of the while loop, once again we are printing the vector collection. Right, so let us compile this and run. So 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55, and once again we are printing the vector collection. So this is how we are supposed to work with enumeration cursor and its methods to access elements of a vector collection linearly from first to last. So that is what is all about vector class with enumeration cursor. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.